Hey everyone, welcome back to Do It Yourself DIY. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Today we're diving into a critical topic for anyone in the construction industry: safety. We'll be sharing 7 essential tips to ensure safety on a construction site. Let's get started. Safety should always be the top priority on any construction site. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to the field, these tips will help you maintain a safe working environment. Tip number 1. Always wear appropriate safety gear. This includes hard hats, safety glasses, gloves, steel-toed boots, and high-visibility clothing. Proper gear protects you from potential hazards and can prevent serious injuries. Tip number 2. Conduct regular safety training. Ensure all workers are trained on the latest safety protocols and emergency procedures. Regular training sessions help keep safety top of mind and ensure everyone knows how to respond in case of an emergency. Tip 3. Keep the site clean and organized. A cluttered site can lead to accidents. Make sure tools and materials are stored properly and walkways are kept clear. A tidy site is a safe site. Tip 4. Use proper lifting techniques. Lift with your legs, not your back, and avoid lifting heavy objects alone. Using the correct techniques can prevent back injuries and other strains. Tip 5. Follow equipment safety protocols. Ensure all machinery and equipment are in good working condition and operated by trained personnel. Regular maintenance and proper use of equipment are crucial for avoiding accidents. Tip 6. Be aware of your surroundings. Stay alert and be mindful of potential hazards such as moving machinery, electrical wires, and falling objects. Awareness can help you avoid dangerous situations. Tip 7. Communicate effectively. Clear communication among team members is essential for safety. Use radios or hand signals to communicate important information and ensure everyone is on the same page. And there you have it, folks. 7 essential tips to ensure safety on a construction site. Remember, safety is everyone's responsibility. Did we miss any important tips? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.